Leader, the enemy is coming towards us. What should we do?
You mean you don't know what we do? You have to attack, you moron.
But, Jake, they are stronger. They have stronger henchmen.
Well, we need reinforcements. Call in the AAAB team. They are well trained and stronger as well.
Okay. I forgot to tell you that the enemy's leader will be coming, I guess to cause trouble.
Or maybe, he comes to deliver a message. Oh, well, it doesn't matter because we are going to kick their ass.
Do we have a plan?
We sure do. Let's get ready to battle or make peace. Whatever they want is what we do.
Okay.